Hello everyone, this is the 12:20, very late in the day coding update. This is by me again, I know it's shocking. So let's go through it. So the main thing that I worked on 12:20 was the auto pitch. So I did a lot of quality of life improvements and just improvements in general. So the first thing is I added an arena create stick for administrators to add arenas really easily, which means that they don't have to edit the config, which is painful, and is also why stamina didn't work for like 6 weeks because no one knew how to edit the config. But yeah. So then we also have an arena teleport command. I'm kind of considering whether this is going to be used for everyone or just for administrators. Right now it's just for administrators, but that may change in the future. So I'm going to demonstrate this in a little bit, but joining will teleport you in and spawn your NPC in the correct location now, which is great, because before it just didn't teleport you or your NPC, which was kind of annoying. And there's also a sane default for the pitches now, which means it's facing towards you, and it will probably get either like a ball or a strike. I haven't actually fully tested that, but it's not horrible is all I can say. And also I added randomization for pitch time, which means that the time between pitches is going to be a little random, which I think is nice because it's like, it's not going to be completely the same if you're playing a game. So I thought might as well add that. And balls are automatically removed after they're thrown and like despawn or drop usually. I think that's just easier for lag and stuff like that so we can fit more players on the server, which gets into my next thing, which is that the server cap, assuming that we don't put it on MBL, is going to be limited. So obviously we want to have the least laggy server as possible, so then we can have the most people on the server and everyone's happy. And other news, I finished the pitcher settings GUI. So the min and max are in there. I kind of already talked about it, but it's 1 to 5 seconds, which gives you some customizability for how much like change you want between the times. I mean, if you want to go really fast, you can do 1 second, but if you're like, I want to go a little slower, you can do like 5 seconds. And I think that's it for the code review today. So I'll just show a video real quick. Alright, so we're going to go through the authentic auto pitch experience right now. So you log in and your pitcher will automatically spawn in the arena that you are chosen to spawn in, though this may change in the future, and it may be on MBL, so that may change. But for right now, your pitcher will spawn in and you'll spawn in an arena. And then to customize it, there will be a command that's not test command, but right now you just run that. And then you have 3 presets, preset 1, preset 2, and preset 3. This also is subject to change, though it's probably going to be 3 for normal people, and then tier 1 and tier 2 subscribers are going to have 5 presets. There will be select buttons, but I haven't done that yet just because it works with pitching, and I still need to code in the GUI for that. So in your preset, you have the pitch, which I need to code in, so that doesn't do anything. And then you have your pitcher settings. So you have the minimum time between pitches, which is 1 to 5 seconds. They can be the same value, the minimum and the maximum, but other than that, the minimum obviously has to be less than the maximum. So we're going to do like 2 seconds, and then we'll say saved. And for the maximum, it just has to be higher, confirm. Yeah, each slider value is 1 second. I'm working on changing the names of them, but right now it just works fine. And if you want to change where your pitcher is, like maybe you want to change where it is like on this block, you click that location one, and then it will copy your exact location and what you're facing and stuff like that. So let's say you're doing like a weird, very high ball. You could just go here and you click that. And then as you can see, the pitcher will do that weird, very high ball. So that is generally what we have so far. So the things that I have left to do are obviously, the pitches and selecting what presets to use in like your game. But other than that, I think it's pretty close to being done. So yeah, that's great. So the other issue that I addressed actually today was a bug where not .let, this is what I originally thought, but where some cache invalidation resulted in the arena being set to null, which broke a lot of the code and really, really annoyed me for like an entire day today. And that is why I haven't posted the video, because I was trying to fix the bug and it took a day, which was really, really annoying and it made me severely depressed. But, you know, that's what happens when you code a whole new thing. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.